Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Thursday, June 18, 2026. Yesterday we got the Fed news. Kevin Warsh's first as chairman of the Federal Reserve. And interestingly, besides the interest rate decision, which was an unchanged, no movement on the interest rate, he points out that he's got like 5 initiatives to bring reformation to the Fed. I mean, there's probably an institution that could be used use a little change and reform. So, but beyond that, though, the big news was that there were several members of the Federal Reserve, I think 9 in total, that expect an interest rate hike later this year. And that's something the market wasn't expecting. And again, the Fed freakout, stocks plunged at that point. The traders began pricing in a 49%, so I guess a coin flip, 49% chance of a interest rate hike at the September meeting. And that was up from like 25%. So really a big jump and a change, I guess, in thought of how the monetary policy is going to adjust these oil prices and higher inflation. I think it's interesting, though, that because of the Iran peace deal, oil prices have plunged. And we're down to the low 70s here this morning. It's been a big drop in oil. That's going to influence the inflation numbers, especially the July number, which is going to come out in August, and the August number that comes out in September. Again, assuming oil prices stay lower. So the bond yields went up yesterday, but they're back down today. And I think the bond market is something to keep an eye on, especially the Treasury bond market, where yields go, because they've been coming back down, and today may be a continuation of that move, and that the Fed, kind of panic over inflation that may be coming down. So we'll see. The other news about today is that it's what they call triple witching or quad witching hour, which is the expiration of stock options, of index futures, and on stock index options and the future and options on the futures. So what that means is there's a lot of trading going on, and repositioning is going to need to be done for hedging and various trading positions, and it usually brings in a much higher volume of trading and can bring in some volatility. Right now, the stocks are up today. Again, the peace deal is helping, and I think some of the triple witching mechanics are also supporting stocks today as well. We go into a 3-day weekend, so we'll see what happens. I mean, anything can happen on the news front over the weekend, and we'll come back on Monday. So thank you for listening. Happy Father's Day to all who are fathers or role models and like that. Hope you enjoy the day, and we'll be back on Monday. Again, thank you. Goodbye.